Hello. To use Mayan up in the school name, you're going to type read at home and it'll pop up and then you can select it. The username is read now, no spaces, all lowercase. And then the password is Mayan, together, no spaces. And then when you sign on, you can search by AR level. So if you hit the search button and then you go to ATOS, and so then you'll search. So if your student is in the 1.1, 1.2, anything in the 1 points or the 2 points, you'll click the first number. And then you have to click this blue magnifying glass again for the books to pop up. So then there's 761 books that are in the first or in the 1 point range. When I go to read it, I can click info and it will tell me if it has an AR quiz. There will be a number right here under AR quiz. Here's how many points it is, and then the reading level of the book as well. So to see if it has an AR quiz, you'll go to the blue info button and then click the I in the middle and then AR quiz, and it will tell you the number right there. If you do have any questions, feel free to email me and let me know.